Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to structure your last 2 months of revision for MRCOG Part 1 exam. This is the most crucial phase. What you do now can make or break your exam. I'll give you a step-by-step plan that is doable, structured and focused so that by exam day you will feel more confident. We'll divide the last 2 months into two phases. First month, the goal is to revise all the subjects once systematically, identify weak areas and strengthen your basics. Phase 2, which is the second month, focus should be on question banks, mocks and rapid revision cycles. Let's go deeper into what to do each week. So in the first 4 weeks, pick 2 to 3 subjects per week. Just for an example, first week may do anatomy, physiology. In the second week, do pathology, pharmacology. In the third week, embryology, genetics, biochemistry and immunology. And in the fourth week, do microbiology, stats and epidemiology. Spend 70% of your time revising notes, textbook or summaries and 30% on related questions. By the end of fourth week, you should have covered the entire syllabus once. Now in the last 4 weeks, that is from week 5 to 8, switch the ratio. Now spend 70% of your time on your question banks and 30% revising notes. Do at least 100 questions daily under timed conditions. End each week with one mock test to check your progress. Revise one subject in 2 days so that you can complete the second revision by 2 weeks. Now for your daily routine, in the morning session, revise one subject, give at least 2 hours. In the afternoon, do 50 to 60 questions plus review your explanation. In the evening, revise weak topics or flashcards for 1 hour. So this makes around 5 focused hours of study per day. It is completely doable. At this stage, less is more. Don't chase too many resources. Stick to one question bank, one set of summary notes or a concise book. Flashcards for difficult to remember topics like pharma and embryology. Now revision in the last 2 months should follow a cycle. In the first cycle, that is the first month, revise all subjects once. In the second cycle, that is the next 2 weeks, that is week 5 to 6, rapid revision plus heavy question practice. Third cycle, that is in the last 2 weeks, ultra fast recall. Every subject brushed up again before exam. Keep a weak topics notebook. For example, if you keep forgetting pharmacology, write those points in one place and review them every weekend. MRCOG Part 1 is 2 papers of SBA questions. You must train your brain to handle this format. Practice under timed conditions, 2 minutes per question. Be alert for tricky wording, especially except or not. If stuck, don't waste time, mark and move on. Do mocks regularly in the last 4 weeks to build stamina and confidence. So here's your last 2 months roadmap in summary. Divide into 2 phases. First month for full revision, second month practicing MCQs. Weekly and daily structured plan. Use limited but high yield resources. Follow 3 revision cycles. Sharpen exam technique with mocks. Remember, you don't need perfection, you need consistency. Stick to this plan and in 2 months you will be exam ready. Good luck, you have got this.